what's going on? Your Weekend Garden here with Evie.
Hi guys.
Here for another taste test. This time we have persimmon.
Persimmon.
Hachiya. Hachiya? I'll probably saying it wrong, but it's Hachiya.
Yeah, in Brazil we call caqui.
Just Caqui.
Just
It
caqui.
doesn't matter what type of persimmon it is. It's just,
Yeah,
but here we go right here.
yeah. I love it.
You do? Have you ever had this type?
Yes.
This type, Hachiya?
Oh no, Hachiya no.
Yeah, okay. So
I had this shape, the same shape, but Hachiya no. Let's see the taste if it's...
well, it's almost like, it looks like a chocolate persimmon.
Yes, exactly.
Okay,
Yeah, I think it was a chocolate.
So when I went into the store, funny story, they had a big crate of these, and the guy was just coming up dumping boxes of it into a big old crate. He just kept dumping it, and I kept watching. It's an international market, so there was a lot of Asians in there.
Yeah, I remember.
And I'm watching folks with bags. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Bags this big, 2 or 3 bags of persimmons, and they was just like stuffing them real quick. And I'm like looking like, are they that good? What do they know that I don't know? So let me try a few. So I grabbed a few. They weren't expensive. They were like 99 cents a pound.
Maybe this is the reason.
Maybe that's the reason, but they had 2 types. They had the Fuyu and they had the Hachiya. If I'm saying it wrong, correct me below. But I believe it's Hachiya. So we're going to crack this open.
Yeah.
And another funny part too is there was an Asian guy who tried to communicate with me the taste. And I did understand what he was saying, so we're going to see.
He was smiling.
Yes, he was telling me, he was giving me preventive information.
Okay.
Now, as far as this, no seeds.
No seeds. Yeah. The seeds of caqui stay inside this part.
Okay.
See? Yeah. Regular. I don't know the Hachiya.
Yeah. And right now, our little taste test is underneath our feet. I'm surprised he didn't start singing because he loves.
Oh, he loves.
As soon as he smells it cut open, he starts dancing and singing. Okay, he's chill.
Okay.
But I don't know if a lot of people understand this, but when I buy these fruits, I don't tell her what I'm buying. I don't tell her about the fruits. She doesn't know about the fruits until the camera starts rolling. That's the first time she's seen the fruit and like, okay. So it's not like it's like she has an idea. It's like everything is a surprise.
Yeah.
I try to get the real taste. Not the real taste, but I try to get the your true opinion, I guess. That's what I try to get. But go ahead.
Okay.
I'll let you go first.
Baby.
I knew it. I knew it.
In Brazil, we say ele amarra na boca.
Amarra na boca?
Yeah. If you is Brazilian, you know what I mean. Your mouth, you know. I don't know the word in English.
Astringent.
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 Yeah.
Oh. So sad.
Okay, so she was unaware of that, but the guy told me, and I said, oh, this is going to be interesting. He told me it was going to be astringent. That's what he was saying.
He told you when you let me eat?
Surprise. Okay, so here's the cool thing with these right here. These are astringent persimmons. And see how solid they are?
Okay.
What you do is you let them get like jelly, real soft on the tree. And it usually happens after the first frost. If you got them outside, after the first frost, they start turning like jelly.
Okay.
That's when they're sweet.
Oh.
So what we can do is if you leave them out, when they get soft
Yeah,
and jelly.
To try, save.
Yeah.
Oh, it's impossible to eat there.
It is?
Yes.
What
Your
about
turn.
what about with a juice or something?
Oh, no.
No?
Because the stranger thing you say,
Astringent, yeah.
astringent.
No, I don't need a big piece.
We need try.
Yeah, I'll try, but I don't need a big piece.
Oh, of course you need. It's your turn.
What's your number?
My number is 4 because I love Caqui. But this quality, this kind of, no. One. Because,
Huh?
yes, one.
You went from a 4 to a 1?
Yeah, because this kind of, and the way it is 1. Because I can't eat.
Can't?
No.
What if you mix it in with other stuff?
Yeah, let's try. But.
You know, my mom said she used to love these as kids.
Really?
Remember, she said she used to eat them when they were kids. They used to pick them off a tree and they would eat them because then their voice would sound funny.
Oh, interesting.
Now, first bite was good. The first bite.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Then it starts having like a chalk consistency, like chalk. I don't eat chalk, but it's like real dry.
Yeah, the mouth.
Yeah, but it's sweet though. The first bite is sweet. But once it starts processing in your mouth, that's when you can feel the dryness.
I'm sad because I love Caqui.
I wonder if
Yeah, let's see if
well, he's singing, so
let's see if Romeo.
my number?
Yes, what's your number?
Probably like a 3. I like the taste though. I mean, the first bite is good.
I feel when I bite, I feel the dryness. Romeo like it. He like everything.
He like anything. He's greedy.
See, babe.
I wouldn't be surprised if he spit it out.
He want more.
You're dog crazy.
It's good because we don't need the throughout.
Jedafora?
Yeah, throughout.
Throw out.
Throw. Amaha the boca.
Amaha? A boca?
Amaha, yeah.
Amaha boca?
Yeah.
What's that, lips?
Yeah, boca is that. Mouth.
Yeah, mouth. Okay,
Yeah.
lips, mouth. Yeah, I was close.
Mouth and lips. Amaha.
Amaha.
Yes. Weird sensation.
Okay.
If you are Brazilian, you know what I'm talking about.
I'm not Brazilian, but I know what you're talking about. Okay, that was a taste test of the Hachiya.
Hachiya.
Hachiya. Hachiya. Okay, your weekend garden, Evie. Homel, still looking for more?
The greedy thing.
Peace.
Bye.